Tranquil privacy is all yours at this elegant Dunthorpe estate. It's located close to Tryon Creek Park, downtown Portland, Lewis and Clark, coveted Riverdale schools, Lake Oswego, and the Willamette River. A circle driveway leads to the landscaped grounds with lush, mature plantings. Heading inside this English-style home, you'll discover gracious living spaces, a cozy wood-burning fireplace, large windows to maximize natural light, architectural details, and period character throughout. Gorgeous hardwood floors lead to the formal dining room. The gourmet kitchen features a gas cooktop island, quartz countertops, abundant storage, stainless appliances, and a delightful breakfast nook. The spacious family room is well appointed with a fireplace, French doors, and built-ins. On the upper level, enjoy the large master suite with a window seat and a spa-like master bath with an elegant shower and a classic clawfoot tub, plus a walk-in closet. It opens to a vaulted bedroom with its own washer and dryer. You'll find additional large bedrooms with beautiful natural light and another full bath. French doors open to your own backyard oasis, a perfectly serene setting with a large patio. It's a gardener's paradise, fully fenced, with a potting room, plenty of storage, and a full irrigation system. A perfect blend of original details and modern conveniences. You'll find it all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.